everyone, I'm Janvi KJ. Today I'm doing an acrylic painting on canvas, stretched canvas, and I'm doing this as a part of 30-day video challenge. So I've just mixed up a little bit of gray for the sky, and again there's a message with this painting, and my message with this painting is quite loud and clear, so I need not say anything about it. So wait and watch till the end. So the gray sky, it might be cloudy, maybe it's going to rain or something like that. And I'm going to do a little bit of cloud. I'm not just going to do plain white clouds with titanium white. I'm going to do a little bit of cloud with pink color. Maybe it's hinting a little bit of red color in the water or on earth in general, where it is situated. So I'm going to do the mountain right now. Every cloud need not be in the perfect form. Clouds, if you observe, are in different forms and shapes. Not one single cloud is in the same shape ever. So just observe the clouds around you whenever you go outside. Look at the sky and picturize it. So I'm just using phthalo blue for the mountain, titanium white, a little bit of sap brown, ivory black, and that's it. Sometimes I do paintings completely with my palette knife, but sometimes I do it partially with brushes as well. I've used a masking tape for a reason for this painting, and you'll find out soon. So I'm using my palette knife again to represent some snow in the mountain. And after I give the perfect knife strokes, I finish it and use my knife for the bottom part, which is completely gold, antique gold. And then I'm going to connect the mountain with the gold and also brush a little bit of tiny wave in the color with a little bit of the colors gray and blue. So my message is quite loud and clear now. So maybe the gray skies and the mountains are telling something. We have to find treasure in nature. So hope you like the painting and see you tomorrow.